How you doing tonight, guys? Got a big old tire repair here tonight. Had a major blowout today on my wheelbarrow, so we got a little job on the go here tonight. Now, first of all, we got to find the hole, which shouldn't be a big deal. Maybe it is a big deal. Anyway, this is what we're dealing with. Anyway, I don't know if you can see that, but there's our hole. So anyway, I stopped by the local store here and bought a little kit there belonging to a bicycle. This is what we're going to fix it with. Right? Got my trailer and just getting ready to finish her off too. So anyway, I'll get back to you in a second. Anyway, we got our tube all roughed up there. Getting ready to put a bit of rubber cement on it now. I'll get back to you in a second. Here we got the glue on. Now we gotta get a patch and put on there. Here's the patches. Alright, we just put the other side of the tire back on the rim. We got our patch there just starting to go on. So next thing now we got to put that tube in that tire without cutting them. Alright, we're all ready to put them back together now. You just got to take the valve out, let the air out of it, and then we'll get them in there. Now, here we go. Here we've got the tube in. Always want to make sure you don't pinch the tube when you're putting it in. I used a couple of screwdrivers there, but you want to be really careful with that. Here we go, one tire pumped up. Okay, next step, got a big old complicated job here. I don't know if I can do this with one hand or not. I'll be right back.